Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom on Samsung Galaxy A14. And to do this, you need to open a Google Play Store. Inside, find app called Google Classroom. Select it and then click on the install. When it's ready, open the app. Click on Get Started, choose your account and click OK. Now press on the plus button, join class, enter the class code right here, and when you're ready, you'll be able to connect with your class by tapping right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.